Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back today with another unboxing video. We've got a bunch of Emmas here, and we've also got a Cinobaby, which I'm really excited about. So let's dive right in. So I think since I have the most, obviously, of the Emma, that I want to start there. I think I want to start with this one on the end. This one is straight from China, so I'm not sure. I'll put the name of the series up on the screen. So there are 8 in the series and 1 hidden. And let's see. I've seen lots of these before, and I really like this one. I think that's Magic Flute. Yes, Magic Flute. Midsummer Night's Dream is also really cute. Madam Butterfly. I will put the secret up on the screen for you guys to see. And is there any of these that I wouldn't like? Not really. I think I'd like any of them. I think Emma's really cute because I have those Emma beans, the fruit ones. And sorry, you can probably hear I have a bit of a cold. But yeah, I have the Emma beans, and so I'm really interested in this series. So let's just take a look. You know what? I might need my box cutters. One sec. Alright, let's just do this with the box cutters and save me from the unnecessary struggle. There we go. Alright. So these are actually my first Emmas. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's really cute. Does she come with accessories? Yes, she does. Alright. So let's take a look. Oh, it's some kind of a rabbit mask. Interesting. Is it magnetic? Oh, I guess so, yeah. Oh, that's really cute. So let's take a look at her without the rabbit mask. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, is she supposed to be a cat? That's even cuter. I love cats. Oh, I really like this one. Let's see. Oh, there's 2 cards in here. Let's take a look. Oh, interesting. So then there's just the basic Emma card, like that. And then you have your characters card here. I got the Midsummer Night's Dream, so it is the one that I wanted. How interesting. It's so pretty. Wow, that's good luck for a start. Let's see again. Yeah, so it is definitely a magnetic mask. That's so cute. Wow. Oh, what a good start to this collection. I'm so happy. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So that was a really lucky start. So, I think I'll go for another Emma. I want to leave the Cino for a bit still. I think I'll go for the Birthday Candle series. This one also looks really cute. I love candles. If you guys have seen my earlier videos, you would have seen the piggy candles that I love to collect. I bought mine from Kika Goods, and I plan to get some more from there. This series, again, has 8 plus a hidden. I will put the hidden up on the screen for you guys to see. My Good Friend is the name of that one. Let's see. Well, these are all very cute. Where are the others? They're here. I have to say, of the Emma collections, I like the ones that sit. So I like the wreath one. Make a Wish. The birthday cake's also pretty cute. Any on this side that I like? Macchiato's also pretty cute. I don't know. There's none that I would really dislike getting, because I guess I like most of what's in this series, so let's just open up and see what I got. All right. Oh, there's a weight in here. Oh, but that's interesting. It's got the name on there, if you guys can see that. It says Emma. That's unique. Nice little keepsake, I guess. Silica bag. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's the macchiato. How cute. Does this come with any accessories? No. All right. Let's take a closer look. She's so cute. I know if I was still a kid, this would be exactly the kind of stuff that my eyes would be drawn to. Oh, she's a little bunny in this one. I love the teacup. It's very cute. Oh, very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the 2 cards that we get. So again, this must be the series card, or no, this is the series card. Okay, so this is the series card. Very cute. I like that they give you 2. And then this is her card for the macchiato. Not bad at all. I'm very happy with this. Super cute. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So now I think I have waited long enough. I've seen this one already a few months back. This is the Cino Fairy Tale collection, I believe it is. Cinobaby, I think it's the Fairy Tale Forest or something like that. It's really cute. This is all in Chinese, so this one unfortunately does not have the description. But this is one of those cases of don't trust the artwork, because this doesn't really tell you anything about what they actually look like. You'll see if you haven't already seen this series before or this IP. You'll see what I mean in a minute. But the ones that I would really like from this, I love the duck. I like the frog prince. I like the crow and any of the little piggies. And I will put the secret up on the screen. The bunny's also pretty cute, but I don't know. I wouldn't be mad at anything, really. Okay. This is such a big box. Trying to fit it on the screen. All right. Oh. All right. Trying to not... Oh, I think I just saw a spoiler. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got the duck. No way I got the duck. Oh my goodness, I got the duck. How cute. Oh, I love it. And the little feet can move on these. Super cute. Also, these face plates are removable, and you can basically interchange them with any one of them in the series. But I wouldn't want to take the face off this one. It's so cute. It's so soft. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Look at this cutie. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. There was something still in the bag. Oh, it was just a silica bag. Never mind. No accessories for this guy. But let's see. There should be a card, I hope. Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's get the card out. Oh, it feels like there's more than one in here. And it's got a nice little cover. Like actual trading cards would have. It'd actually be a good idea to keep these in here to keep them safe. Ooh, shiny. So here we have our duck. Unfortunately, this is all in Chinese. I will try and put the translation for this one up. Still our little duck. I guess this is like if you had a card game that you were playing. Oh, and then we got one of the piggies as our third one. So cute. I so want more in the series. It's adorable. Oh, so cute. Duck, duck. Alright, let's move on to the last box. Okay, last but not least, Emma's poetry. There we go. Again, this is another series that I saw and I thought was really cute. I love any of the ones where she's sitting. Again, I think Stunning is really cute. Last Rose is beautiful. Ni Chang is really nice. The Window, Hidden Style, I will put up on the screen for you guys to see. I think the only one out of this group I wouldn't like is maybe Snow Dust from this side. Let's see the others. Ooh, Life Like Summer Flowers. I really want that one. All the rest on this one are really cute, and I'll also put the Pearl Hidden Style up for you guys to see. Okay, I think we can dive right in now. That was a bit too easy. What's going on? You know what? Let's just do it this way. Alright. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, did I get the Stunning one? Wow, I'm getting really good luck today. Oh, look at how pretty. It's a little bit pearlescent. I guess she's some kind of a crow or a bird, because look, she's got wings. So very cute. I just love the colors. The blue that kind of fades into the black in a nice gradient. I love how it offsets the nice little sweet face that's usually a little bit paler. I like these darker versions of the Emmas, but yeah, I'm so happy I got this one. Oh yay, okay, let's check out the card. Or cards. I forget that there's usually 2 with this set, which is really nice. So here is the poetry card, which is the name of this series, if you guys are interested. And then here she is, Stunning. And that she is. Very pretty. Wow, I had really good luck today. I didn't get any of the ones that I really didn't want. That's a rarity, and I'm very happy about it. Okay, let's take a look at the final haul. So here is our final haul. I'm very happy with basically everything I got. There isn't a single one of these that I'm unhappy with. If I had to pick a favorite from today, I think the Duck Duck from Cino is really super cute, but all the Emmas are really adorable. I think my favorite of the Emmas might actually be this one, the Midsummer's Dream, I think it was called. This one is my favorite. I think it's just so pretty. I love the colors. And the Stunning is also beautiful, and even the Macchiato. It's basically a lot of my favorite colors are being displayed here in that set. And yeah, the duck one is so cute. I'm so excited for that series. I definitely will be getting more. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys like the best. And would you get the series? Or is there another series from Emma that you like? Please let me know. I know that there are more from the Cino series that I'd also like to get. But I think this is great. This is a great start for both series for me. I'm so happy. Thanks so much, you guys, and I hope to see you again back for my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye!